Every IV cannula begins its journey inside a $1 million cleanroom, where raw medical-grade materials are carefully verified before production begins.
Moisture control is critical. These white polypropylene pellets are dried to ensure flawless molding quality. The dried polymer is fed into high-precision injection molding machines designed for medical components. At controlled temperatures, solid pellets transform into molten polymer, ready to be shaped. Precision molds define the exact geometry of the white IV cannula hub. Molten polymer is injected at high pressure, filling each hub cavity perfectly. Rapid cooling solidifies the hub while preserving strength and dimensional accuracy. The newly formed white cannula hubs are automatically released onto the production line. High-speed cameras inspect each hub for color consistency, surface quality, and precision. Only flawless components move forward in the manufacturing process. Next, the flexible catheter tube is produced using continuous extrusion.
This clear tube will eventually deliver fluids safely into the patient's vein.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the catheter's flexibility and diameter. Each catheter is cut to an exact medical specification. Laser measurement ensures perfect consistency across millions of units. The needle begins as a precision stainless steel tube.
These tubes are cut into uniform needle blanks.
Precision grinding creates an ultra-sharp bevel for smooth insertion.
Electropolishing removes microscopic imperfections from the needle surface. A medical-grade silicone coating reduces insertion resistance.
The catheter is carefully assembled over the needle.
The white cannula hub is securely fitted, forming the core structure.
The flashback chamber allows clinicians to confirm vein entry instantly.
Each cannula undergoes pressure testing to ensure zero leakage. Approved IV cannulas now move towards sterilization in the next stage of production.
After assembly and inspection, IV cannulas are prepared for one of the most critical stages, ethylene. Automation ensures zero human contact, preserving sterility from this point forward. These chambers are engineered to sterilize millions of devices safely and efficiently.
Ethylene oxide gas penetrates every surface without damaging delicate medical plastics. Aeration removes all outs. This process eliminates bacteria while preserving structural integrity. Aeration removes all residual gas to meet strict medical safety standards. Sterilized cannulas are now safe for direct medical use. Packaging begins immediately inside controlled cleanroom conditions. Each cannula is sealed individually to maintain sterility.
Precision heat sealing locks in sterility for years.
Each unit receives full traceability through batch and date coding.
Automated inspection ensures every package meets regulatory standards. Units are grouped for hospitals, clinics, and global distributors.
Automation maintains speed while eliminating contamination risk.
Robotic palletizing handles thousands of units per hour. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. Random audits ensure every production batch meets global medical standards.
These certifications allow IV cannulas to be sold worldwide.
A single facility like this can produce millions of cannulas every month.
High automation dramatically reduces per unit cost. This is how medical device manufacturing becomes a million-dollar business.
From here, IV cannulas ship to hospitals across the globe.
Every unit supports life-saving medical care. Behind every small medical device lies an enormous industrial system.
In the next part, we explore advanced quality control and innovation. Before reaching the market, IV cannulas undergo another layer of advanced quality control. Mechanical stress testing ensures the hub, catheter, and needle remain securely bonded. Each cannula must deliver smooth, unrestricted fluid flow. The flashback chamber confirms instant vein entry for medical professionals.
Microscopic inspection verifies needle sharpness and surface perfection. Silicone coating reduces insertion force, improving patient comfort.
Only fully compliant cannulas proceed further in production.
Laser marking ensures permanent, tamper-proof traceability.
Every unit is digitally logged for full production transparency.
Human expertise complements automation through statistical sampling.
Environmental monitoring maintains sterile manufacturing conditions. HEPA filtration prevents microscopic contamination.
Automated sanitation protects every production cycle. Lines restart with minimal downtime, maximizing efficiency. Parallel production lines enable massive output.
This scale supports global healthcare demand. High-volume automation drives costs down dramatically.
Data-driven decisions keep production profitable and reliable. Innovation continues even as production runs at full scale.
Safety features reduce needle stick injuries worldwide. Strict regulations govern every design change. Skilled personnel remain critical even in automated factories.
Production continues around the clock.
Automation allows uninterrupted manufacturing. In the final part, we look at global impact and future trends.
This entire facility exists to produce one small but critical medical device.
Millions of IV cannulas leave this factory every month. They are shipped to hospitals, clinics, and emergency units worldwide. From factory floor to global healthcare systems.
This is where manufacturing meets patient care.
Sterility and reliability are non-negotiable.
Every component performs a precise function.
This tiny signal confirms correct vein access. Modern designs protect healthcare workers from injury.
Decades of engineering refinement led to today's designs. Advanced polymers make modern cannulas safer and stronger. Sustainability is becoming part of medical manufacturing. Energy efficiency reduces cost and environmental impact. Sustainability is becoming part of medical manufacturing. This is how IV cannulas are made. This video is for educational purposes only. Medical procedures should only be performed by trained professionals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful content.